Okay, hello year 9, this is part 2 of your homework, and Dr. Tolchinova is here, and I want to help you with your homework on finding angles. So here we are. We have question 3. Here is our diagram. We know that LM is straight line, and we need to find the angles that has letters named with letters. Okay, so look at this diagram. What from my point of view is easy to find angle P first, because angle P and 142 are angles at a straight line, and there they add up to 180, so we can find that angle P plus 142 add up to 180 degrees, right? So therefore P will be 180 minus 142, so P will be 180 minus 140 is 40, and 40 minus 2 is 38 degrees. Okay, we have found angle P, and so we can find now angle X. Angle X, 46, and angle P, they are angles in a triangle, they add up to 180, so 46 plus X plus, for P we have 38 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore we can solve this equation, and so 46 plus 38, 40 and 30 is 70, and 6 and 8 is 14, so 70 and 14 is 84. We have X plus 84 is equal to 180, so X will be 180 minus 84, so X will be equal to 180 minus 80 is 100, 100 minus 4 is 96 degrees. Okay, so we have found two angles. Let's find angles in the second question. Okay, let's look on the diagram what we have here. We have a triangle and we have a straight line, so easy to find angle A, angle C, and obviously angle B. To find angle A, you need to realize that A and 72 they form straight line, so A will be 180 minus 72 degrees, which is 108. Okay, to find angle B, let's wait a second. Okay, I think we first need to find angle C. That would be easy, because C and 85 they form a straight line, and so angles at a straight line add up to 180, so 180 minus 85, what that is going to be, 180 minus 80 is 100, minus 5 is 95 degrees. Okay, so now if we know A is 108 and C is 95, and we know that angles in a triangle add up to 180, oh, actually, you know why, like, I think I was wrong, that we have to wait. It was quite easy to find angle B. Why? Because angle B and these two, they add up to 180 degrees as angles in a triangle, so 180 minus this bunch of angles, 72 plus 85. Okay, let's find our bracket first. 180 minus, what is 72 and 85? 70 and 80 is 150, and 2 and 5 is 157, so we have 157 to subtract. Okay, and 180 minus 157, 80 minus 57 is 80 minus 50 is 30, 30 minus 7 is 23, and 100 minus 100 has gone, so we have 23 degrees angles. Okay, I found B. Now let's do C. Okay, let's look at our diagram C. What we have here, again, we have a triangle and we have a straight line LM. We'll find angles D easy. D will be 180 minus 60, right? So D will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which means 120 degrees for D. We have found D. What else can we find? I think we can easily find angles E and F. Could you see why? Look at these lines. We have lines here and we have one more line here, right? So that means all three sides are equal. And if all three sides are equal, we call this triangle equilateral, equal sides angle, sides, and therefore all three angles will be the same, and it means 180 equally split between three angles. It means each angle have to be 60 degrees. So without even thinking, we can not thinking, we're both thinking, right? We can say that angle E is the same as angle F, and they are 60 degrees because angles in equilateral triangle are equal, and each of them equal to 60 degrees. And therefore to find angle G is really easy. Since F is 60, so G will be 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 120 degrees, because angles at a straight line add up to 180, and we have found all the angles. Okay, now let's do question D. Okay, question D here. Again, let's look at our diagram. We have a triangle here and a straight line LM. Okay, what do we know about this? Anything about any angle, any first angle to find maybe will be easy, angle H, isn't it? Because H and 25, they form a straight line, so H will be 180 minus 25 degrees. Okay, so that means 180 minus 25. Okay, 180 minus 20, 160 minus 5, 155 degrees. All right. Okay, if I know this angle is 25 degrees, and what you see is also these two lines here. That's two lines here means these two sides are the same. We are dealing with isosceles triangle. Let's spell it correctly. Okay, isosceles triangle. Okay, that means these two angles at the base of isosceles triangle are the same. K and I are the same. K will be equal to I, and also what they're equal is, if we take away 25 from 180, then whatever we'll get there, we have to split equally between these two angles because they are the same. Okay, so K and I will be equal to 180. Take away 25, that will be your first step, and whatever we'll get there, you have to divide by 2. Okay, 180 take away 25 degrees will be equal to what? We just found 180 minus 25, so let's use it. That is 155 divided by 2. Okay, so 100 divided by 2 is 50, and 50 divided by 2 is 25, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So we'll have 50, 25, 75, and 2.5. So we have 27.5. Let's just double check by simply direct division. Okay, 155 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Remainder is 1. So we have again 15 divided by 2 is 70. Oh, so I made mistake again. 77, and so the remainder is 1, and if we write 0 here, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, so the answer will be 77.5. yeah, of course, 150 divided by 2 is 75 and 2.5, 77.5 degrees. Okay, let's just cross it and let's write it clearly so you guys will not be confused. 77.5 degrees. All right, so okay, we have found angles K and I. Now we need to find angle J. Angle J will be 180 minus angle at angle I. Okay, minus 77.5. So we'll have 100, as far as I understand, is 100.5 degrees. no, that's wrong, isn't it? 180 minus 78, 102.5 degrees. Okay, 102.5 degrees. That's the end of the video, and I'll explain you question 4 in the next video.